Three common purposes.
Okay, purpose number 1. Can you read, Imran? Imran?
Yes.
Yes, can you read purpose number 1?
Okay. Purpose 1, to help explain the inexplainable. Ancient societies created myths to give explanations to many of their questions about life and natural phenomena. What is the origin of Earth? How did humans
Come into.
How did humans come into existence? What happens when we die?
Okay, so a myth is, can you also read this part? A myth. Imran, can you continue? The pink box.
Okay. A myth that illustrates the beginning of the world and humans is called a creation myth. Many cultures around the world have their own version of creation myth.
Okay, so like a lot of in history, like there was a lot of people who used to make folk tales and stories, like in China, right, and in other areas of the world. So they used to have like a meeting, and there would be one person that used to tell like folk tales, right? Stories, fictional stories, right? So that was not real stories, but they used to just make up, like they used to tell tales, like the folk tales, right? So what? Okay, can you read Bahauddin Purpose 2?
Purpose. Where, teacher?
It says Purpose 2. You see the screen?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay, can you read Purpose 2? To demonstrate proper behavior.
To demonstrate proper behavior, myths set ideal characters as well as social and moral standards through stories of heroic deeds by men and women. Purpose 3, to give reasons for social customs. It was believed that the world of gods and goddesses was connected to the world of humans. Myths were used to explain rites and rituals which were performed to ask favors from the gods and goddesses.
Okay. Heku. Imran, can you continue? Chiku Bende. Okay, Heku, a form of poetry.
Okay. Haiku, a form of poetry. The haiku originated in Japan. It has a special style. It consists of 3 lines with exactly 17 symbols in all 5 symbols in the first line, 7 symbols in the second line, and 5 symbols in the third line. A haiku typically has one dominant idea and often refers to a particular season, although haikus frequently focus on nature, especially traditionally haikus. They can be about anything.
Yeah, okay. Haikus can be funny, clever, and entertaining. Read these examples of fun haiku. So summer, the sun is so bright, the cool wind brushes my hair. I love summertime. What am I? Orange in some spot, long neck way up to the sky, I see high above. The haiku is a kind of riddle. Can you guess what a poem is describing? Okay. So in what I read is what am I? What do you think Bahauddin, the person, is describing? Can you tell me?
Giraffe.
Yes, good. So And then in the summer, what do you think, Imran? I read what it's describing about the summer. Imran? Imran, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Or in the haiku of summer, what are they describing?
Wait, what do you say?
In this, you see this box, summer?
Yeah.
The sun is so bright, the cool wind brushes my hair. I love summertime. What do you think the writer is describing?
Like how they like summer.
Yeah, how summer is, right?
Yeah.
It's sun is bright and the cool wind
Or
brushes.
maybe about a weather teacher.
Yes, about the weather. Yes. Good. Mashallah. There's an old pond, a frog goes jumping in it, the sound of water. Okay. So what are they describing? The frog, right? Okay. So this is your classwork. You have to read Eco and Narcissus, this myth, and you have to describe what are they describing. Like back in the day, they used to worship, you know, like in this is myth, right? So what are they like? What are they worshiping? Okay. Let me just actually change this one. This is another myth. Okay, Namazu, the earth shaker. Okay. So let's read this one, okay? So I'll post this in the Google Classroom. You have to read the one, Namazu, the earth shaker. And you have to write what is a yokai and answer the questions, okay? And then also there you have to read the poems and you have to answer the questions, right? Which poems is a haiku? Okay. So I'm just posting it on the Google Classroom for grade 6. So you guys can work on the assignment for English, okay? Okay, so I posted it, so please check. Okay, and you guys have 10-15 minutes. 5-10 minutes to work on the assignment, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. We have here Haika, Siddiqa, and Aya, okay? Okay. Okay, so we will be doing math. So did everyone post the homework for math? Haika, Siddiqa? Siddiqa wasn't there yesterday, but Aya, did you post the homework from yesterday? decimals. We did some examples, right? Were you guys able to finish these questions? Haika, are you there? Can you please respond?
Yes.
Did you finish the homework from yesterday?
I have a few questions left.
Okay, please post that today, okay? Aya, you as well, and Siddiqa, do you understand decimals, or do you want me to do one example? From yesterday, you also have to do the homework, okay? So here we have 9.73. Siddiqa, can you please unmute? Assalamu alaikum, Siddiqa. Imran, can you tell Siddiqa to please unmute? We are doing math, grade 7, so everyone please unmute. It's easier for me to, communicate. Because in class, when I'm saying yes, it's also taking more time. So Siddiqa, are you there? Siddiqa? Okay, Aya, can you tell me what is 9.73 minus 2.58?
Repeat that?
Yeah, do you see the screen? I'm writing it like here, 9.73.
Oh, it's hard to read.
Yeah, okay, let me just get another color. 9.73.
Oh, 9.73.
Yes, minus 2.58.
7.15.
Okay. 1.15. Okay. And you have any difficulty in the questions when you did yesterday? Did you solve them and post them on the Google Classroom? Aya? Aya? Are you there?
Yes.
Did you post the question on the Google Classroom? Did you post them yesterday, the homework? Were you able to finish the homework, Aya? Aya, can you respond? Hello, Aya?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you finish the homework and post it?
All right. How do you post?
Yes, you just go and you can comment, or you can
No, but how do you post stuff? I don't think I was ever able to do that before. Like,
okay, you see my screen, you go on this Google Classroom, okay? Go on classwork, okay? Like this is how I see it. Like now they view instructions, okay? They click on it. Now they have the ability to post the comments, right? Like you can write
yes,
them.
but you won't be able to post like an image or anything.
I can help her with that.
You can help her, okay? So how
Yes.
would you do it, Haika? Because I don't see the instructions how to upload. That's because I'm maybe the admin.
Okay. I'll share my screen and I can show her.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Let me just give me 1 second. I'm gonna get the tab open first.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use a random image from my past homework on some random one.
Okay.
Here is it. I'll do yesterday's one. I still have to do that one. You know what? I'll do it on the IXL one so that I don't get confused when I post it. Okay, but I won't post the IXL homework yet.
Okay. You can just show whatever example, how
Yeah.
to upload.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
All right, so basically you go into add and create, and then you can click file or Google Drive. I click file, then I click on browse. Then I go into the screenshot. Normally I just upload it on my photos, but if you don't, then you can just go into recents. Then there's some screenshots over there too. And basically you just upload the screenshot. Let me see if I can find it. I just upload one of these screenshots and I click upload. Then I'll start running and then I'll see it here. Then once it's done loading, you can view it and you can see it. Then you can hand it in.
Okay, Aya, do you understand? So you have to be on the laptop, okay, to do it.
You can also do the same on a iPad.
On an iPad as well, okay?
Yeah,
Is that,
it's basically the same thing. It's just smaller screen.
yeah. Aya, do you understand now? Aya? Did you understand how
Trying to
Haika's?
do it.
Okay. Siddiqa, assalamu alaikum, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so we are doing, yesterday we did decimals, so are you good to do the homework today? Because I was
Yeah.
showing the example today. Okay. Now we can move on, answer the questions, read the answers to the nearest 10. Okay, Joy's house, we have 1.5. So can you read question number 9, Siddiqa?
Okay. Joyce wants to go to the park from her house. What will be the total distance traveled if she takes the
Red route.
red route?
Yeah.
And then
So can you see the picture? You see Joy's house? You see a yellow line, green line, and a red line. So how much distance did it take to reach the bank? I mean to the park, sorry.
on the red or the yellow?
The red line, because they're asking the red route, right? First.
Yeah. Okay, so it's
how-
4.6
plus another
plus 1.997.
Okay, so how you can do the calculation? 4.6 plus 1.9 7. So
Yeah.
because there's nothing beside the 0, you can put 6, you have to put a 0 so it can have 2 digits, right? Now you do the additions. 0 plus 7 is
7,
and 6 plus 9 is
15,
and then 4 plus 1 is
5,
plus this one.
6.
So 6.57 is sorry, not dollars. 6.57 kilometers is my answer. Okay?
Okay.
Makes sense, everybody? Everybody understands how to do this question? Okay, what about the green route? Can anyone tell me what am I supposed to write? Haika? For the green route?
Sorry?
For B, what am I gonna write as a distance
Okay.
for the green?
Okay, so first we added all
So 1.50 plus
plus 2.073.
okay.
And you do this before then you also add the other one, or you can just wait to multiply this first. Sorry,
No, we're adding,
add,
right?
yeah.
So what's the other number?
The other number is 3.184.
Okay, good. So because there's nothing beside the 0, we have to make it 3 digits. So we have to put another 0 digit beside the 1.50 so it can match the sequence. Okay. So Aya, what is 0 plus 3 and 3 plus 4
0 plus 3, 4.
and 3 plus 4? Aya, continue. 3 plus 4?
3 plus 4? 7.
Yes. And then 0 plus 7 plus 8? The next line. Okay, guys, please
17.
respond. 0 plus 7 plus 8?
17.
Yes. No, not 17. Can you do it again? 0 plus 7 plus 8. Aya, it's not 7, it's not
15.
17. 15. Okay. 5 plus 1 is? The top, we have to add also by the 5, so 5 plus 1 is? Aya? Aya, continue. 5 plus 1 is? Okay, Haika, can you tell me 5 plus 1?
5 plus 1 equals 6.
And 6 plus 1?
7.
7. And then 3 plus 2 is?
5.
5 plus 1 is?
6.
So 6.75 is also my answer here, okay? So, makes sense how we're gonna do it? So I'll give you guys 5 to 6 minutes to do question number 10, okay? Haika and Siddiqa and Aya, you guys are supposed to do question number 10. So everyone,
Okay.
Siddiqa, Haika, Aya, please do question 10, okay? Then you can discuss it after 5 minutes. So if you guys are done, you can let me know. Okay, are you guys done? Are you guys done? Haika, Siddiqa? Okay,
I'm
let's
still
do it.
kind of-
Yeah, let's do it together now. Okay, I can let you do the B one after at home, but the A one, let's try doing that. Okay, so we already know that in this route she traveled 6.57, right? Kilometers. Okay, but how many? They're saying more kilometers will Joyce travel if instead of taking the yellow route, she goes home. Well, she goes back from the park. She goes back home. Okay, you taking the red route. So we already know she traveled from the red route 6.57. So that will take her to go back home. From the red route, another 6.57, right? So can you add them? Haika, can you add this?
Okay. So 6, 7. There's no point in here, right?
No. This is this is actually 6.57, right? Decimal.
6.57 plus 6.57.
Yes.
Okay. That would be 13 point.
No, you have to check doing first from the start from this left side, the
Okay.
right side.
So 7 plus 7 is 14.
Hmm?
That'd go to top. Then 5 plus 5 would be 10. Plus 1 would be 11. So you put the 1 down there and you carry it on. Then 6 plus 6 would equal 12, but you add the 1, so 13.
13.14, right? This
Yes.
is our answer. Okay, so you guys can work on the green one now. How to do it? We already got for the green route we got the same number, right? Like 6 point. How much was it? 6.75, right? I think so. Yeah, so 6.57 we got. So if we got 6.7557 and we're gonna go back home using the green route, we have to add 6.57 by 6.57, right? So that's also gonna give us 13.14, okay? Okay, now you're gonna do this worksheet, question number 2, this one for homework, okay? And we're also gonna do multiplying decimals. So find the answers. So can anyone solve question 1?
I can try.
Okay.
So first you do 4 times 5, which would equal 20.
Yeah.
Then you take it over. Then you do 4 times 6.
Mm-hmm.
That would give 24.
Yes.
And then plus 2 of it would equal 26. So that's, so put the 2 on top. Then 3 times 4 would equal 12.
Mm-hmm.
And plus 2 would equal 14. Then 7 times 4 would equal 28 plus 1 29.
Okay, 29.460. Okay. Okay, good.
Sorry?
Yes, this is our answer. Good. Good job. Okay, Siddiqa, can you do question 2? Siddiqa,
Okay.
what is 1 times 9?
9.
Then which number? 8 times 9?
I think it's 72.
Yes. Okay, good. And then we put the 7 on top of the 7. So 9 times 7 then?
63.
Plus the 7 on top.
70.
Good. And then the 7 goes on top of the 0. 9 times 0 is
9. Sorry, 0.
0 plus 7.
7.
7. Good. So 7.029 is my answer. Okay, good. Okay. Aya, are you there? Aya? 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 Aya, are you there? Aya, can you hear me? Okay, 1 second. Let me just go back to the class and tell unmute. Okay, assalamualaikum. Who is Ali? Ali, which class are you in?
That's Mama using her father's account, I think.
Oh, okay. So she has to go to the other room, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, let me send her to the other room. Fatima, can you go to the other class? Join breakout room?
Okay.
It says on top of the screen here. Can you go?
No.
Okay, I will send you. I will send you. Meanwhile, grade 7s, you guys have to work on the worksheet. So I will tell you what questions. I will write your name beside it. You have to finish them, okay?
Teacher, I'm done.
So are you done the whole worksheet or just the question?
The question that you gave me.
Then you could do question number 6 as well. And yeah. Did I think Ali, I think she's in the other class. Okay. Yeah. This Saba? This is Saba. Assalamualaikum. So I will be posting the worksheet on the Google Classroom, then you can do it. Okay, Haika?
Okay, I'm also done the question number 6.
So it's posted, so you guys can work on it. Okay.
I don't see the math assignment. Teacher,
Yes, somebody's asking a question.
I don't see the assignment posted.
Okay, give me a second. Let me see what teacher is.
Assalamualaikum.
Welcome.
Okay, so Sayyida Nala has been admitted to the room. So grade 7 means you guys can continue working on the worksheet. Okay, for math, I posted on the Google Classroom. And you guys have to also submit. You guys have about 10 minutes. You have to submit the answers in class.
I don't see
Google Classroom, okay?
I don't see your assignment that you posted. Can't see the math assignment.
Sorry, Haika?
I can't see the math assignment that you posted.
It's on the Google Classroom post, announcement page.
No, not the in class, the actual assignment.
Like that's right now. I gave you the in-class one, so you guys can work on those questions. Okay. Okay, Bahauddin and Imran, have you guys finished your assignment? For English, you guys can continue working after the class. Right now we're gonna do math, okay, Bahauddin and Imran? Okay. We'll use the following exchange rates to solve the problems. Show your work. Gary is on the round world trip. His first stop is London, England, when he exchanges US 100 into pounds. He buys a sweater for 25 pounds. How much pounds has he left? Okay. So his first stop is London. And he exchanges a euro, 100 euro to pounds. So US $1 equals to how many pounds?
US $1 equals 50, 50 cents 0.08.
Yeah, but in there we call it pounds, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
50 cents, 508 cents. Okay. But they say pounds, so you can just say 0.508 pounds. Okay.
50 pence and eight of 1/10, 8 out of 10 of a penny.
Yeah, okay, so just make it short because I don't know if they have cents in England, but they have something called pounds. So 0.508 pounds, okay? That's good?
Teacher,
Yes.
I'm trying to post the photo of the assignment I'm done, but it's not giving me the option
Um,
because it's
you can write down your answers in the comment, like, you know,
no, that's
or you can post your assignment as a separate announcement, you know, like how you
okay.
put, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, how much is 100 then? So 100 you have to multiply by 0.508, okay? Make sense? Bahauddin? So if $1 equals to 0.508 pounds, right?
Equals 50 pounds and 80 pence.
Okay, so 100 times 0.508. Okay, we'll give you. So what we can do is we can write it because 100 times 50, 508 over 100. No, yeah, 508 over 1,000 will give you 50. Yeah, so now you cancel the 2 zeros with the 0, you get yeah, cancel 2 zeros, you get 1 times 508 over 10. So now you get what? 50, 508 divided by 10, you get 50.8, right? Is that what you get?
You get 50.8, yeah. And when he buys the sweater, he has 25 pounds and 80 pence left.
Yeah, so he buys a sweater for 25 pounds. Okay, and then he has so 50.8 minus 25, right? So what did you get?
50 minus 25 is 25, and also with that 80 pence, so it's 25 pounds and 80 pence, my answer.
No, he buys a sweater as well, right?
Yes, so he has 25 pounds and 80 pence left.
Okay. So yeah, so this one becomes 9. Oh no, actually 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. And then this becomes 4, so 25.8. Okay, good. So we have to write in the box, we write 25.8. Okay, so can you do, I will also post these 2 questions on the on the Google post so you guys can work on it. Okay. Okay, now we will also do 10 equivalent fractions, simplifying and comparing fractions. So write 3 fractions which are equivalent to 2/3. Okay. So 2/3 times 2 will give you 4/6. So that's also equal to 2/3. And then you multiply them by 2 to get 6/9. I'm sorry, you can multiply them by what number? 4/6. You can multiply it 2/3 by 3 as well, so you can get 6/9, and you can multiply 2/3 by 4 to get 8/12. So that's the same equivalent fractions. Okay. And then order the following fraction from least to greatest. So based on what we have, like 9/12, we do divided by 3, we get 3/4, and then you simplify all of them. 6/16, 3, you get 3/8. Then 1/4, you get 1/4, you multiply by 2 to get 2/8, or you can leave it the same way. And then 5/4 you have left, right? So based on your fractions, you can either convert them to decimal, or you can see their pattern, and you can tell them which one is the greatest numerator and which one is the least numerator. So that's the greater number, and the less number is the one you have to put on the beginning. Okay, is that making sense? You guys understand? Everyone, Bahawuddin,
Teacher.
you understand? Yeah. Like how to put them in least form and greater form? You can either convert them to decimal, and then that way you can know which number is large or greater, or you can also do like first divide them and simplify them, and then the smaller numbers you can multiply them by equivalent, like to make it a bigger fraction, right? To make it like a equivalent to the other numbers. Okay, make sense?
Yes.
Okay, simplify the following fraction. 90 divided by 100. So what do you have to do now? You can divide 90 by 10, and 100 also by 10, right? So what is 90 divided by 10?
And 100 is 10, so 9 out of 10.
Good. And then what is Imran? Can you tell me what is for 15/33? Imran, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, so 15 divided by 3 is what? And 33 divided by 3 is what?
Wait, so 15 divided by 3?
Yeah.
5.
5. And 33 divided by 3 is?
33 divided by 3 is, it's 99.
No,
Wait,
33
no,
divided by
99.
3. So 3 times 10 is 30. And then you have to add another 3 for 3 times 11. So 30 plus 3 is 33, right? So 11, that means, is your answer, right? So 3 times 11 gives you 33. That means if you do the opposite, you do 33 divided by 3, you will get 11 as the answer. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is 33 divided by 3 is going to be 11. So 33, yes. So 33 divided by 11 will give you 3. So that means 11 is your answer. So 5 over 33 will be, 15 over 33 will be, so 15 divided by 3 will be 5, I said, right? So 5 over 11. Makes sense? Makes sense? Imran? Okay, so these two worksheets I will be posting so you guys can work on it. Okay. Okay, write 3 equivalent fractions, okay, for each of the following. So what do you think is going to be the equivalent fractions for 5 over 9? So 5 over 9 times 2 gives you 5 times 2 is Bahauddin,
10,
and 9 times 2 is
18. So put 10 out of 18, then 20 out of 36, then 30 out of it.
wait, Imran. So what did we say first? 10 over 18, right? And then the second one, I don't know if it's what? Let me see. So you said 20 over. So we can try doing the third table, right? First, so 5 times 3 is?
Not see a screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing 1 second. Okay. So 5 times 3 is?
Times 3 is 15.
15 over 9 times 3 is?
9 times 3 is 27.
Okay. And then 5 times 4 is?
20.
Over 9 times 4 is?
9 times 4 is 36.
Okay, good. So these are the 3. Okay, so I will be posting this one worksheet as well for you guys to practice equivalent fractions, okay? So you guys have about 10 minutes. I will post the one worksheet on the Google post. So you can work on that right now, and the homework questions I will post on the classwork, okay? Make sense?
Hey, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes?
I just have a question to confirm this. When I do the like division and then I turn into multiplication and everything, after I get my answer, do I reverse that too or leave whatever answer I got?
Or which question?
Let's say question number 15A. So 8 divided by 1 over 2, then you like calculate that everything. Here, I'll do it on the whiteboard.
So 8 divided by?
1 over 2.
Yes.
Then I did I reversed the 2 and 1 and put the divided to a times, and then I added a what, and then the 8 will turn into 8 over 8 1 over 8.
Yeah, so 8, now we are gonna multiply 8 times 2, right?
Which
16.
is 16.
And then 1, we
And
can
then 1
imagine
times
there's,
1 is 1.
yeah, 1 times 1, so 16 over 1 is
So do I
16.
reverse that or do I keep this answer?
That's your answer, 16.
Okay. Okay, I just wanted to confirm that. Thank you.
No problem.